Laoag 1, Mary Chris O'Crapuz. Crafted by the skillful hands of Miss Shiva Saliganan. This gown features an exquisite bustier that perfectly emulates the wings of the blue bird, which symbolizes hope and positivity. The flowy liquid organza style in a semi-umpire cut exudes an impeccable illusion of the wind, adding an airy silhouette of the gown. With all the intricate details accentuated, it effortlessly defines every curve and flaunts the enthralling charm of the candidate.
Gown is made with love and compassion by its designer, Jerry Viernes Trinidad. As it shines on the stage, it builds on geometric shapes, demonstrating an image of geometry, experimental, innovative design, shifted lines, broken proportions, and asymmetry. Once again, Laoag into Chantage Reed Bikibuya. An enchanting creation of royal blue and fuchsia color, A-line silhouette with fitted bodies and waist that gradually flares out in her shape and adorned Swarovski crystals, gems, cut beads and stones to add its sophistication and style. Royal blue is often seen as a symbol of pure royalty, power, prestige and regal elegance. This phenomenal look mimics a classically hourglass shape. All eyes on Laoag 3. This exquisite green gown created by Bob Paulino, adorned with vibrant red flowers, embodies the flourishing spirit of the city of Laoag with love. The gown's organic structure exudes a timeless elegance, combining conventional charm with a touch of modernity. Sparkling green accents delicately embellish the left areas, adding a hint of glamour to this captivating ensemble, making it a true representation of both tradition and sophistication.
Number 5 is Stephanie T. Mateo. This stunning red gown is a masterpiece of Marjorie Lorenzo Sabanal. It embodies the essence of love and power, making a bold statement on the pageant stage. The intricate drop beats gracefully enhance the gown, breathing life into its creation. With every step, this gown captivates, radiating confidence and allure, making a statement that shines with love.
modernity. This masterpiece is accentuated with thousands of crystals and special glass diamonds, specially sewn by hand. The design marries the fusion of modern elegance with timeless grace. The silhouette of the dress represents sophistication, power, and elegance. It represents a woman that is courageous, radiates positivity, and undergone transformation and ready to step into a new chapter in this modern world with confidence and grace. Shine the brightest, Laoag 6.
Laoag 7 is Beatriz Emily V. Malo, a radiant gold creation of Don Paulino, meticulously hand-fitted to honor the noble farmers and inspired by the golden grains of success. This gown pays tribute to the hard-working hands that cultivate our land. It embodies the spirit of agriculture and the golden legacy of those who saw the seeds of the prosperity of our city.
This exquisite high-fashion red gown is meticulously crafted, featuring a stunning combination of rhinestones, Swarovski diamonds, and enchanting hologram stones. The ensemble is elevated with an elaborate headpiece, transcending mere fashion to become a mesmerizing ode to opulence and sophistication. Shine the night with Laoag 8.
Laoag 9 is Julian Nicole Sin. Unleash her inner strength with the show-stopping gown by Janie Lau. Crafted to perfection, it is made from UC fabric and nylon, embellished with semi-precious stones and crystals. Its water-inspired structure embodies the power of femininity, allowing her to exude confidence with every step. Its flattering silhouette and confident allure will make heads turn wherever she goes.
Elegance takes center stage in this exquisite white gown created by Marla Baroga. It is meticulously adorned with striking black beads, silver stones, and a captivating feather embracing the neckline. Inspired by the yin-yang philosophy, the gown harmoniously blends contrasting elements to create a timeless and enchanting silhouette. A perfect balance of grace and boldness, it captures the essence of beauty and duality, strength, and sophistication.
I lost strength to the dawn. Hide away
Calditera, a tribute to the Golden Sun's journey across the Ilocano sky. This masterpiece transitions from deep black, symbolizing the calmness of the night, to warm, glowing gold reminiscent of the sun's golden rays, with seamless transition from lustrous gold to sophisticated black. This gown pays homage to the hard-working Ilocano farmers.
This gold gown designed with scallop-cut beads and rhinestones. The sophistication is this gown is the high neckline and simply says good taste. While the side cutouts add a sexy hint, belted at the waist with a streamlined silhouette, this gently hugs the figure that symbolizes the regality of a true Laoagana. Alluring in appeal and opulent in design, this Jeremy Viernes Trinidad flamingo pink gown is fit for queen that stand out. The dress has a structural symmetrical body that creates a silhouette of a pinched waist. This avant-garde gown gives you a dreamy and elegant look. It is ornate with rhinestones and sparkle that flow down to the floor. The A-line silhouette and with portrait stand out and shine with Laoag 13. Embrace the epitome of elegance and sophistication with this black leather gown fashion masterpiece of Jeremy Trinidad. With a silhouette that accentuates your femininity and a touch of black fur for a hint of extravagance, this gown will make heads turn. Be the dominant force in the room, radiating confidence while exuding an air of mystery. Own your strength and embrace your inner goddess, Laoag 14.
13 is Army Valerie D. Lahed. This Shiva Saliganan's masterpiece radiates an authentic reminiscent of an Ilocana fish named Saragati. This magnificent piece is embellished with bright pink scales, which stunningly depicts the Saragati's indescribable beauty in our aquatic landscape. With a color that speaks youthfulness, this masterpiece empowers young Ilocana to celebrate their diverse talent and beauty. Be blinded by the glowing beauty of Laoag 15.
Framed in an asymmetrical silhouette, the body's graces of an off-balance tube design and the skirt gracefully touches the floor length. This gown is accentuated with silver stones and crafted art beads. All eyes on Laoag 16. Magnificent collars and gowns made of course by our very competitive and very creative local designers. May we give them a round of applause, please.
And of course, this is a hint that we are now at the end portion of our pre-pageant and that before the curtains finally roll down, may we give an immense gratitude once again to our selection committee. Maraming salamat po, ma'ams and sirs. Palakpakan po natin guys yung mga judges natin for tonight. And of course, I would like to thank Miss Wanda Imperio for